Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be replacing my fuel filter on my Husqvarna with one that's a little bit bigger than the original one. I believe it's about that time. This is a company on Facebook and Amazon, Fortree, and they sell all kinds of different lawnmower parts, and that's mainly what I'm looking at it for. But okay, if come follow me and let's see how hard or how easy it can be. All right, there goes the connection. It's connected to that's our fuel line. Hopefully this guy fit. Okay. Looks a little bit smaller, but we'll see here. Okay, you see that? Right on there. Twist it on there. Right there. This one's gonna be fun. Jesus. Act like you didn't want to come off of it. Ah. Doing it right anyway. Uh-oh. As you can see, connected back to the engine. Let me show you from the other side. How I got it in there. It's very self-explanatory because guess what? It has an arrow somewhere right around there. It's pointing that away, that away. So you can't miss installing it correctly. Let's start her up. Hey guys, we're back again. Like I said, very simple install. The most problem I had was trying to get the daggone thing off. I'll just be checking later on if I got any leaks. I made sure I put it on there nice and snug. It comes with you can order a certain size pack. I bought a big one. Because I have a whole bunch of more lawnmowers. I don't know about the John Deere, but I got a Toro. I'm gonna get that. I'm gonna put it on the Toro, and I got 2 core aerators that don't even have one. So I'm gonna be doing a future video about that, and I'm gonna be installing them on there. But one thing I noticed, even that quick, my Husqvarna sounds different. It's running better. That quick. So when your lawnmower starts running a little ragged, man, check these guys out. Get your gas filter replaced, because there's always all kind of junk in it. It could be anything, from rust to debris to anything, and it will clog up your engine and make your engine run funny. And like I said, just that quick, my engine sounds on my Husqvarna, my workhorse, it sounds a whole lot better. So, and once again, I give it a 10 out of 10.